Ever thought foldable phones were the future? Think again, because Samsung is about to drop something that will blow your mind. Hey everyone, get ready, because we're on the brink of a new era. A monster is being cooked up in Samsung's labs, one that will redefine what a foldable can be. This isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a whole new category. Its name, the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold. And if you haven't heard about it yet, today is your lucky day. This isn't just a phone, it's an IMAX theater in your pocket, a portable workstation, a piece of the future. So, let's dive right now into the world of this device, whose specs look like they're straight out of 2030. First question. What is this trifold magic, anyway? Imagine a device that folds not once, but twice. When closed, it's a sleek, compact phone that fits perfectly in your palm. Open it the first time, and boom, you've got a large tablet-like screen. And then, when you unfold that second hinge, guys, it's like you're holding a prop from a sci-fi movie. A massive, nearly 10.5-inch seamless display is right in front of you. This isn't just about a bigger screen. It's a new experience. Imagine real multitasking, where you can run 3 different apps side by side on full screens. Imagine watching a movie on a screen that puts most tablets to shame. The possibilities are endless. Now, how will Samsung pull off this engineering marvel? Well, according to leaks, the Galaxy Z Trifold will feature new ultra-thin glass, and a revolutionary dual-hinge mechanism. This means when you fully open the screen, the fold creases will almost disappear, giving you a magical, seamless viewing experience. Now, let's talk about the specs that will make your heart race. We could be looking at a dynamic AMOLED 3X display, with a refresh rate that adjusts all the way from 1 Hz to 144 Hz. Yes, you heard that right. Gaming on a screen this big at 144 Hz. There's a big twist in the camera department too. With a screen this spectacular, you need a camera system worthy of creating content for it. And Samsung isn't holding back here. Because this phone can stand up on its own, its main camera becomes your powerful selfie camera. We're talking about a potential 200-megapixel sensor, now ready for your high-quality selfies and video calls. This means no more compromise on front camera quality. To power all of this, you need a beast of an engine. Leaks suggest, the Galaxy Z Trifold will be one of the first devices to run on Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 chip, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. Price and launch date. So, onto the biggest questions. When can you get it, and most importantly, what will it cost? According to leaks, the Galaxy Z Trifold could launch in the first quarter of 2026. And as for the price, estimates suggest a starting point of around $1,999. Yes, it's a premium tag, but it's also your ticket to the future. So now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments, is the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold your next dream device? Is it overkill, or is it exactly what you've been waiting for? Sound off below.